What is up, guys? This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and I do also speak fluent Spanish. So we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous wine region from Spain in the northern western part of Spain, in the Galicia region, Galicia area, that makes some delicious white wines. We are looking at how to pronounce Rías Baixas. So what does that actually mean? Well, Rías Baixas means lower Rias, Rias being sort of estuaries or estuarine inlets that populate this area of Galicia. There are actually 4 Rias or 4 inlets, and so that means the lower Rias area. So Rías Baixas, this is a Galician term. Baixas is not Spanish, it's Galician, the local dialect or the local language. So Rías Baixas, but you can say Rías Baixas, Rías Baixas, or typical Spanish pronunciation or Galician pronunciation, Rías Baixas, Rías Baixas. If you want to learn more how to pronounce the name of the grape variety that produce the best white wines from Rías Baixas, here is the video about Albariño. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.